back to my channel. Today we are gonna make some personalized dominoes, and this is for my customer back in Texas. Her name is Antoinette. I believe her boyfriend is the one who put in this order, so here we go. You will need your mold, of course, some resin, part A, part B, already pre-mixed. I already had this sitting here for some time now, and I'm gonna mix in some red glitter. I've went ahead and poured off camera. Here's a little close-up just to show you guys that when you are making these dominoes, you do not have to fill the mold all the way to the top. You want to leave a little gap so you can place the name or your sticker or the design right on top of your cured resin. You have to make sure it's fully cured before getting to the next step here. This is just a close-up of me showing you guys how I keep the dots on the eye together on the name, and I do that by using UV resin. And this is just showing a close-up after I put it there, and this is just a free piece that I threw in to the order. Now this is the next day after I did my top coat, and we are just going to pop these bad boys out one by one. And I must say, I fell in love with this set. This was my actual first time doing the personalized dominoes, and these turned out so beautiful, and I'm so happy they came out this way. So if you are looking to make your own order of personalized dominoes, go ahead and place your orders down below. The Etsy link is in the description down below. And if you got this far into this video, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. This here is just a little freebie. If you order from us here at Goodiez, you are going to get 2 to 3 free items that comes with your order. So yeah, be sure to place those orders in. And this is just the case that is also another freebie that I am doing for this order. It does not fit the domino set, but I still wanted to give it away as an additional, just a gift, just in case the customer wanted to, surprise their girlfriend with an extra, customizable piece here. Look how sparkly that glitter is. So in love. And there we go, got the last piece out. And here is the top to this case here. And I went ahead and, of course, sand, filed, and removed any sharp edges off camera. I'll make a separate video for that if you guys are interested on how I clean up my pieces. Just in case resin spills out of the mold, there's definitely a few ways that we can fix those issues. And as you can see, I might be struggling right here just a little bit. So yeah, and this is the top piece. Here goes the fun part, the painting. So I'm going to use these nail tools to paint the lines on the dominoes and the holes, the dots, pretty much on the dominoes. Here's the lines, and then here comes us filling in the dots. And here's the final results of it all. And here's the case as well, completed piece together. And this is me pretty much wiping down the extra paint off and trying to fit it into the mold here, well, the case. And then I was like, yeah, it's not going to work, so we have to use this case instead. But it all turned out well. All of these pieces were well organized. out, guys. And yes, these are available in any colors. We have glitters in any type of shape, form, and all of that. So yeah. And here's me packing up all the freebies and getting things situated so we can send this all to our customer. And we appreciate anyone who orders with us. We appreciate you guys' support. And if you want more videos, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.